Want a Salesforce certification voucher without paying full price? Here's how you can grab one fast. First, check out Salesforce certification days. These are free webinars hosted by Salesforce. Attend, learn, and you might get a voucher or discount for your exam. Next, hit Trailhead quests. These are learning challenges on Salesforce's platform. Complete them, and sometimes you'll earn coupons or vouchers while boosting your skills. Don't miss Salesforce events like Dreamforce or Trailblazer DX. Big or small, these events often have contests, raffles, or quizzes where vouchers are given away. Finally, be active in Salesforce communities. Networking helps you stay updated on voucher opportunities and gives tips for passing exams. So, focus on certification days, Trailhead quests, and Salesforce events. Learn, participate, and score your voucher. Easy, right? Start today, save money, and level up your Salesforce career.